it's Christina. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do some little reviews for you guys and show you guys some stuff that I'm going to be reviewing soon as well. So hopefully you guys are really excited. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is a really big item, so I'm going to try to pull it up here and show you. But it is a cat carrier, or like I guess it could be a little dog carrier too. But I got this for my cat. It has a part right here that opens in the front. Then it has a part in the back that does that as well. So you can open it either way, okay? And it also has like this really cute Sherpa, not cute, but this really nice Sherpa like lining in it. And each part where it zips up, it actually clips closed too, so that's really awesome. And then it has like this little really soft part right here. I'm holding it up, so it's like not wanting to go down in there. There you go. So it sits down in there like that. Sorry guys, I'm like holding this at the most awkward. And then these parts right here that are up like this can actually fold down on both sides, and it leaves a big, huge like area for them to lay down and relax. So like maybe once you get there, you unzip the sides and let it down and let them relax. So I thought that was really cool. So I would definitely check that out if you're looking for a really, really fancy, really nice cat carrier. You know, not some basic cat carrier. I think it's a really, really nice one. It's like amazing quality. I think it looks super comfortable. If I was a cat, I would want this one, you know. It looks really, really nice. So I would definitely check that out that one. And like I always tell you guys, when I get a lot of this stuff, it's like at a discount to review it. I think the most of everything that I got was at a discount, but I'll try to remember what I got for free and let you guys know. But I still try to share my honest opinion with you guys, but I also recommend you do your research. So when I post the links down below of the different stuff, definitely check out the other reviews of what people think as well, because someone else might have the same kind of, you know, thoughts that you would have about something rather than what I would have. So I think it's awesome, and I would definitely purchase it if I was looking for one, but I would also do my research, you know. I would check at all my local pet stores and see what would be best for my cat. So definitely do the research and figure out what works best for you. If you just need something basic and you don't want to worry about anything like that, then you don't have to, you know. The next one is this slime kit with Galaxy, and it's got a bunch of stuff in here. It says it has 24 colors of slime, 6 colorful foam balls, 250 fruit slices, 6 glitter shake jars for kids, and just a whole bunch of fun stuff. So I'm going to open it up and show you guys a little bit. But I'm actually starting another channel. It's called Slimy Timey, I think. I will have it linked down below, where I'm going to just make these different slime things and show you guys them and play with them. Like this right here are some of the foam balls. Here's some of the bigger foam balls. There's, like it said, fruit slices. There's little fruit slice pieces right here. Okay, so I'm going to put that in a color of slime, and then I'm going to like pull it on and like twist it up and smush it and all that good stuff. And I'm going to do my own DIY. That'll be later in the channel, probably when I get done with this kit. I'm going to make all the different, like a whole bunch of different kinds of the foam ball ones and stuff. And then I'm actually going to do DIY ones to see what different slimes we can make and things like that. So if you guys are excited about that, or if your kids like watching slime videos, they might end up watching my slime channel that I'm starting. So I will have that link down below too. But this kit looks super awesome. It's really cool. It's got a whole bunch of stuff in there. I thought it was a really great price. I did get that at a discount to review it, just to show you guys my thoughts. But so far, I think it's super cool and it looks super interesting. So definitely check out my other channel to see like the quality of it and how it ends up working out, so you guys can see that firsthand when I try them out. But so far I'm super impressed, and I had actually thought about giving that to one of my kids for their birthday or something. So, but I'm just gonna make the different slimes, and then we're gonna play with them where I can watch, because I'm not a big fan of it like being all around the house. So we'll do it like on my terms. Let's see. Next is actually something that I haven't reviewed. I haven't reviewed something semi-negatively in a long time. This is supposed to be a titanium ring, and here is the finish of it. And I thought it came with like a set, because I was trying to get one for my husband and one for me, but it only came with one. I will have this link down below so you guys can check out other reviews too. But my husband and I were not impressed with this, actually. I don't remember the price on this, but definitely check it out. But the inside of it looks really, really nice. I really like the inside, but the outside kind of reminds me, I'm going to feel like a jerk for saying this, but it kind of reminds me of like the quarter machine rings. I'm sorry. So the inside of it feels really, really nice and like good quality. And like it probably is, I think it's like titanium steel, which is nice. But this brushed outer part of it just looks horrible, and I do not personally like this. But you can always look at the set and see what the other one looks like. The other ring that was like, they were two different rings, but they were like similar. So I'd definitely check that out and see if there's any other rings that you like. But I know this same brand, I've also got something else here, and I really, really love it. So I'm just confused, but I don't like the ring personally, but if that's kind of like what you're looking for, then it will work out perfect for you. So, I mean, it was not a super expensive ring either. This is something that I, once again, have paid more than I normally would pay. So I did get this at a discount, but it wasn't at a huge discount, so I was kind of disappointed. And I personally probably wouldn't pay full price for it, but if this is kind of what you guys are looking for, then you would probably love it. So, yeah. Next we have, from that same brand, is this bracelet set. And these are stretchy, but they look like metals, which is super cool. There's a like gold one, a rose gold one, and a silver one. I think it's a really cute little set. And then each one has a different owl on it. So you have the super blingy owl, then you have this other owl, the silver one, and then your rose gold one. So I mean, they're super cute. I like this big blingy one too, and they just look really cool together. So I would definitely recommend this. I would definitely recommend checking it out, and I would definitely recommend this for sure. Yeah. So that one's awesome. Definitely check that out if you guys are interested in that one. Next, I want to talk about a couple of things that I'm going to be trying out soon. I've only done this once, so I can't really give a review on it yet, but this is a light therapy acne spot treatment from Neutrogena. You actually just, light it up, put it on your blemish, and you do that several times a day, and it has a timer on it, so once you click the button, it looks like this. Once you click this button right up here and put it where on your blemish, push the button, and it'll go for a 2-minute timer, and that's it. So you just keep doing that, and I think it said, let me see, up to 3 times per day until it's gone. So that's really cool. I'm excited to keep trying this. I started trying it out today. But this is what the light looks like. There's 2 different kinds of lights. The blue light kills acne causing bacteria, and the red light reduces inflammation. So that's really cool. So I'm excited to keep trying this out, and I will come back with a review for you guys, but I just wanted to share that I was trying out something interesting and new so you guys can be prepared. Next is through a new app that I've never tried before, and it's where they give you sponsorships. So this is stuff that they sent me to try, and this is the Kate Somerville All Skin Types Exfoliate Cleanser. It's a daily foaming wash. I haven't looked at this yet. I just got this in the mail, so I wanted to check it out with you guys. So this is what it looks like. I love the packaging. I like how it's simple. I'm personally not like a big sucker for cutesy packaging, but like especially if it can cut costs, I'm just like, do the simple, so I can save me some money. But this is really cute. I like it. It's orange and white for the stuff. I did open the other one that they sent me too. And another thing that I got was this little starter kit. And I think I have a coupon code. I will look and put that down below if I do. I think there's like a coupon to get a certain amount off this little starter kit. So we're going to open this up and I'll show you guys what comes in this little starter kit. Okay, so, and it's all wrapped up in like this really cute paper. So, oh my god, I'm like, it's so cute. It is cute, but it's not necessary. It's not going to make me, spend the money. The next thing in here is a smaller version. The starter kit comes with a smaller version of the full-size cleanser that I was showing you guys, the cleanser daily foaming wash. So that is the same thing, but it's a 50 milliliter, and this one was 120 milliliters. So this is a little sample size so you can try it out, which is cool. Okay, then it comes with this right here. Let me see what it is. It is the Kate Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. So I'm excited to try that out too. Maybe I can open it up and show you guys. Yeah, see what that looks like? Ooh, it smells really good. It smells almost florally a little bit. Don't trust me because my smell is always messed up, but that smells really good. And then we have the Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. So this is a little 15 ml little container. Let's see what this one. I like how it has a little smiley face that's winking at you. So yeah, I will definitely try these out and be letting you guys know what I think. I think this one's sealed. So I will definitely be trying these out and letting you guys know what I think. I just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that I'm going to be trying so you guys know what to look out for. A lot of this stuff will be on Instagram as well. Like I said, that slime stuff will probably be mostly just on my new YouTube channel. I might post a little bit of it on my Instagram. So yeah, that's about everything that I wanted to show you guys today. I did get these. Like I said, this is like a sponsorship of stuff that I'm going to try. But I'm like going to share with you guys what I think about it. And so far, I like the packaging. It's nice and simple. It's super cute though. Super elegant looking. And I'm excited that they came up with like a little starter kit. That way people that don't want to spend the prices on like skincare and stuff, they don't want to spend that kind of price until they know that it actually works for them. So I like that they do a little starter kit so you can try the different products. So that's super exciting. Yeah, if I have, like I said, if I have a code, I think I have like a percentage off of, if I have a percentage off of like the little starter kit, I will have that down below for you guys as well. And I cannot wait to try it out and post about it. And I think that's all for today. I'm really excited to try a lot of this stuff. I can't wait. Yay. And then hopefully you guys are having a really great rest of your week, or rest of your weekend, whenever you're watching this. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I like sharing reviews and showing you guys what's coming. And then subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And then comment down below. Let me know if you've tried any of the Kate Somerville stuff. If you've tried any slime making kits, or if you have any great slime making recipes, you can definitely message me those on any of my social medias. It's Fierceglammom or Christina Sanders. You can usually look those up on the social medias and you can find me. And just comment below and say hi. You guys know I love to hear from you, and I just love to hear you guys' thoughts on this stuff as well. And I will see you guys in the next video, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye!